My name is Pavel Tkachov, and this is my final project for CS50X 2024. I created Healthsome, a personal health tracker that helps users monitor their weight, blood pressure, and medications. The app also includes an About page where users can learn more about this purpose. First, I need to create a database for the project. I've already included a schema file. Here it is, schema file. So let's initialize the database using script Python create database.py. Yes. This command initializes the database structure based on the schema. Now the database is empty. Let's populate it with demo data. Run the command Python populate demo data.py. This command fills database with demo data, including an admin user and pre-filled metrics. The database now has demo data, including an admin user, and let's log in as admin to explore how it works. First of all, we need to run our application using Python app.py and log in as admin user, username admin, and the password. Here we are. Now I'm logged in as admin and can access all the pre-filled data for each metric. Let's take a look at each metric: the blood pressure, weight, and medications. On each page, user can filter the data by time range: last week, last month, and all time. For example, last week, last month, and all time. Records can also be edited or deleted, and charts dynamically update to reflect changes. Here you can see weight records visualized dynamically. For example, for the last week. For example, notice the steady decrease of weight over this section. Let's navigate to blood pressure. This page allows user to track systolic and diastolic pressure along with their pulse. For example, a user can notice a spike in blood pressure during the past week. The first, second, and the third spike, for example. And the medication page. The medication page displays doses taken or missed. From the table, user can mark doses as taken or missed, dynamically updating the chart to provide a clear overview of adherence. For example, you can see consistent adherence this month, excluding this one. On the 25th of December, only one dozen was missed. But we can fix it. Here it is. No, yes. All consistent. All doses for the last week was taken now. Let's create a new account and add personal data. You have been logged out. Register a new user using my name Pavel as username and a short password. Okay, registration successful. You can now log in. Username Pavel, password, main page. I'll start by adding weight records. Here it is, weight. No records found now. Add a new record. For example, 2 days ago, the weight was 2 days ago, 26th of December. The weight was 75 kilograms. Yesterday, for example, 26th of I'm sorry, 27 of December. The weight was 76 kilogram. The record added, and the chart is dynamically changing. Adding new records for today, weight was, for example, 78 kilograms. Here we have the trend. The new records are added and the chart reflects the updates instantly. This allows me to track weight changes over a short period. Next, let's add some blood pressure records. For example, blood pressure. No records found yet. Add a new record. And yesterday, systolic. Yesterday, for example, yesterday morning, systolic was 120, diastolic was 80, and the pulse was 60. Add record. And for today, for now, systolic is 130, diastolic 85, and the pulse 67. Add record. Here it is. These records have been added successfully and are visualized on a chart showing my recent blood pressure trends. Added a record for today, changing, for example, the weight from 78 to 78.5, and the trend slightly changed. Let's delete one of the records from here, from 2 days ago. This record. Are you sure? Yeah, I'm sure. This record is deleted and the chart updates automatically, keeping the data clean and accurate. As for technical details, Healthsome is built with Python Flask, uses SQLite for data storage, and Chart.js for data visualization. Let me show some of the code. Open modules. Here it is. This directory contains blueprints for different parts of the app, such as metrics and authentication. Helpers. Utility scripts for database and data time processing are located here. For example, datetime helpers and database helpers. Let's open the static folder. As for static folder, this folder holds CSS, JavaScript, and other static assets like charts and styles. And logo, for example. Let's open templates folder. Here it is, templates folder. HTML templates built with Jinja 2 are stored here to render the app's user interface. For example, just a layout page. Here it is. Let's open app.py, the main application file. The file sets up the application and registers modular blueprints for functionality. Here it is. For authentication, the main module, all the three metrics, blood pressure, metrics medications, metrics weights, all registered from here, and we can, for example, view it. This is an example of a blueprint handling CRUD operations and JSON responses for the weight metric. JSON responses, here it is, weight data. JSON responses and routes are organized using Flex built-in JSON method via JSONify. And for example, we open the front-end JavaScript file, weight chart. This JavaScript file manages the dynamic rendering of a weight chart. It uses chart.js to handle updates and visualize the data in real time as users interact with the application. Thank you for watching my presentation of Healthsome, my final project for CS50. This project helped me combine my knowledge and web development and databases, and I'm really proud of the result. My name is Pavel Tkachov, and this was CS50. Thank you.